Hey guys, hey, what's going on? Hey, this is Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin here. So I'm gonna let you guys jump in here real quickly here. Man, my skin is looking amazing today. Wow. I guess because I'm vegan, got that glow. So yeah, you heard it right. Hey, you. Yeah, I'm vegan now. Wesley, $1 Billion Virgin. I've been a meat eater for quite a while now, and I decided to go vegan here. Okay. I got a question for you guys. How many of you, before I explain why I went vegan and why it took me so long to make this jump or this leap of faith towards veganism here, how many of you right now are entertaining a vegetarian diet or a vegan diet right now? How many of you right now? Anybody? How many of you are right now are vegan or you're vegetarian? Just put vegan or V, not V for virgin, V for vegan, V for vegetarianism. All right. So let me share something with you. A couple of years ago, maybe 2 years ago, I had an assistant. Her name is Ashley, and she worked for me for about a year, and she was vegan, and she works out, such as myself. And I've noticed that she stayed in perfect shape here. To make a long story short here, we had dinner the other night, okay? And she's still vegan and she still looks amazing. And she told me to do something, okay? And this is for a lot of men out there. The only reason why I never went vegan is because I didn't want to lose weight, right? I just thought that vegan people don't eat enough protein, right? So, me, I'm not an athlete, but I look like one as far as my body shape here. And, I just said, nah, bro, I need meat, bro. I need burgers and chicken breasts, eggs, right? And she says, go watch this one movie here. And I'm going to suggest everybody watch this movie. Now, I'm not an expert when it comes to veganism. Sounds like a religion, right? I'm not an expert. You do your own research. But after I watched that movie, it better explain the science behind meat. And the movie is called The Game Changer. Okay, go watch it on Netflix tonight. The Game Changer. If you believe, especially men, that you need to get your protein in meat and beef and eggs, you're wrong. Okay? You're wrong. And what I realize as well is that a lot of athletes, top athletes, football players, basketball players, are vegan. Some of them are vegan, and a lot of them, some of the ones that you admire most, they are on a plant-based diet. And being on a plant-based diet, they have seen an increase in energy and strength and in muscle growth. So I was like, okay, let me go for it. So what I'm going to do, I don't think I'll never eat another piece of meat again, but I'm going to do it. I told myself, right? So let me tell you another funny story. Listen, so myself, I said, hey, I want to go vegan. I want to go plant-based. And she said, cool, but can I call you? I'm like, oh God. Now, if you know anything about me, I don't like talking on the phone because I just don't like to hear other people's views and ideas. I just don't like it because usually it doesn't align with my idea. So, but I called her. She says, Wesley, I just want to tell you, be careful. Not eating meat is not a good idea. And I'm like, oh my God. Then she said, there's studies about it. I'm like, stop. Okay, I understand what you're talking about, and I appreciate that. But let me try this for 60 days. I want you to make me plant-based meals for the next 60 days. And I'm going to monitor my body, my energy, and my muscle growth. And I'm going to go to the doctor, and I'm going to measure my blood. What I've seen in The Game Changer, they had these athletes. And when they would eat a bunch of meat, they noticed that their blood was cloudy. Okay, the plasma in their blood, right? But when they would eat a vegetarian meal, the blood that was in the vial was actually clear. Okay? They have people that have competed in marathons and triathlons and even the U.S. Olympics. This one lady, 39 years old, she said when she went on a vegan diet, she had more energy to endure and she would recover faster. One thing about athletes like me, I just like working out. I just like looking good. I'm not lying to you. I just like looking good. I don't run. I don't swim. I don't play basketball, football. I'm not a fan. I mean, I'm a fan, but I'm not a fan. But I like to look like one, right? And I realized that all these athletes, a lot of them are on a vegan type of diet here, plant-based. So, yeah, that's the reason why I'm doing it. If you want to do it with me, let's go, baby. You know, I'm going to monitor my growth. I'm going to monitor my strength, my energy, and I'm going to measure that at the doctor, and I'm going to see where I am, anatomical speaking here, and I'm going to report it back to you. But yes, I'm not going to eat another piece of meat probably until I die. I'm only going to eat vegetables, grains, nuts, fruits, tofu, even tofu. Like right now, I just went to this, it's called the Mongolian Grill. I'm out here with my kiddos. We're hanging out. It's my son's birthday. He don't know all his presents in the back here. And, yeah, that's my boy, my king. And I'm out here and I went next door to eat a meal and I ate tofu and it wasn't that bad actually. You know what's so funny right now? I feel good. Like I don't feel full. I don't feel bloated. You know how when you eat meals and you feel like you want to go to sleep like this? You know, you eat that good burger, then you're like, I feel like so good. Like even my skin, well, you know, but guys, I do have great skin, by the way. But it's like my skin is glowing. It's just been 2 days. Like 2 days, I haven't eaten any meat. Have touched my body. I have not digested any meat. And I feel so good. Let's go. Okay, I'm sorry. I apologize. So if you thought Wesley Virgin had energy before here, I have a lot. Any questions about what I'm doing? I want to reach out to you guys. Anybody want to give me some advice as it relates to going vegan right now? Was it tough for you? Was it hard? Put it in the comments below. Let me know your thoughts about that, your experiences as well, because I'm open. I'm not educated really in this area, but I would like to get educated because it's all about raising your vibration. It's all about clarity, thinking better, and of course, earning more money to change the world for the better here. Okay? All right, here we go. What's up, Amy? Hey, Amy, I forgot to tell you, Amy Nichols, congratulations. Let me pin her comment here. Okay, and a lot of you are in my Millionaires in Training group. If you're not in it, basically it's a group of about 3,000 people who are aspiring millionaires. Okay, I'm coaching them. If you want to be a part of that, just go ahead and go to wesleyvirgin.com or go to support@wesleyvirgin.com and we'll reach out to you to let you know if you have any more spots available. But Amy Nichols, she just bought her dream house. Now understand something about Amy. Let me tell her story, or the brevity of it. Is that cool, Amy? So Amy found me online, and I remember I had my second seminar, I believe, in Houston, Texas, okay? How many of you have ever been to a Wesley $1 Billion Virgin seminar? Just put your hand up like this. So it was life-changing for a lot of people. I had about 100 people out there. I was blessed, and I'm so grateful that people actually came out to hear me speak and to meet them. It was a blessing to be able to meet people that, really aligned with my thinking and made a choice to believe some of the philosophies as it relates to really creating a very exceptional life in every area of life. And, she went there and she participated. And I remember when she left, the first thing that happened to her, she bought herself a new car, a new truck. The second thing, just recently, she bought herself her dream home. And the great thing about what she did was she's in a totally different niche than I'm in online. Like I'm an internet marketer, and she does, I think, print on demand, and she's killing it right now. That just goes to show this. Listen to me here. That all of you, even you that's watching me, that's listening to this video right now, it can happen to you. Okay? I mean, you can have a breakthrough. I promise you. It doesn't matter if you're in Africa, India, Pakistan, America, Canada. It doesn't matter where you are on the globe. Okay? It doesn't really matter how much help you have or help you don't have. The one thing that you have to, what I suggest that you work on, is believing that your reality now can be different. That's it. Like, I'm in a $250,000 vehicle. Before, it's like, how could I ever imagine to drive a vehicle like this? I'm so blessed. But it's not just I'm blessed. I saw it 6 years ago when I was driving the 1988 Honda Accord. Like, right now, I have 6 homes around the world. Before, I had a small 1-bedroom apartment with no furniture on an air mattress. Now I have 6 homes. Before, I was traveling economy. It's like, imagine me in economy, right? It sucks. There's nothing wrong with economy, but I don't want to fly there. But now I fly first class with my wine, right? I fly so much that the flight attendants, they know me now. They know what I like. I like my wine. I like Moscato, by the way. And I also like my Baileys, all right? My Baileys and a little coffee here. And, you know, it's a blessing. And what I'm telling you, listen to me, please, that this can happen to you too. But I try to share this with all of you men and women, moms and dads, and all you all over the world here, is it starts with your language. Like, with your belief. It starts with what you say repeatedly. I got people right now that's in my millionaires in training group right now, and you know, this one girl, man, she is rocking it. You know what she does? She's doing affirmations every day. She's talking to herself in the mirror, and you know what? A lot of that sounds silly, right? You know, talking to yourself in the mirror. I'm amazing. I'm great. I'm a millionaire. You know, saying those things, it seems to be silly. But now looking back, it explains why I am the man that I am today. About all those things that people tease me about, right? When I used to go to the Rolls Royce dealership and say, hey, this is my Rolls Royce here. I was in the back of it. I would sit in the back at midnight all the time, like every Sunday, because those are the cars I wanted. And now I bought myself a brand new Rolls Royce. I used to go to the $1 million houses, and I used to sneak in and sit in the new constructed homes. And now I have the ability to buy one, cash if I want to. I'm going to share this with you, and I'm going to let you go. In life, sometimes you really have to do what's not popular. Like, if you want to be different, because see, people like myself, we're very different. We think differently. We're insane. We're outliers, right? You really have to do the things that other people won't do to get the things or the experiences that people won't have. Does that make sense? Maybe this weekend, most of your friends, think about your friends and your family. What are they going to do? Party, drink, happy hour. It's like on autopilot, right? We just know that a big percentage of the world are going to do this. Party, have sex, get drunk. I mean, that's just repetitive behavior, right? But you have to be the different person. That's what makes me so special, because I just do what's different. It's not like I'm smarter than you. I didn't graduate from college. It's not because I'm better looking. It's not because I'm taller. It's not because my dad was rich. It has nothing to do with none of those aspects. It's just, I just do what I do. I do the complete opposite of what I see everybody else do. That's it. Everybody complains about their life. Man, this never works out. I mean, people repeatedly complain. I never complain, ever. I'm always grateful. Always. If you guys notice, when I start my videos, all praises to the Most High, God is the greatest. Because I'm always reminding myself, Wesley, it doesn't matter how good your life is, be grateful. And that's what I'm sharing with you. It's so easy to be grateful and excited when everything in life is going the way that you want it to go. Does that make sense? When everything is perfect, it's easy to say, yes, thank God, I'm amazing, I'm great. But listen to me here. You got to be grateful when they took your car. You got to be grateful if you lose your house. You got to be grateful when you failed that test. You got to be grateful when you don't get the chance to enter college. You got to be grateful when you feel that you're trapped in life. You got to be grateful. Learn to be grateful when things are not taking place in your life the way that you want them to be. My baby's here. What's up, baby? She's watching my speech. You got to go? We got to go?
No.
Are we done?
Actually, I can go to practice.
How you gonna go to practice right now? I'm sorry, guys. My baby kind of got my flow a little bit, but you know. Oh, okay, I see that.
School's almost out.
Okay, so guys, I love you so much. I just wanted to talk about my veganism. And guess what, guy? I got a surprise for you. The age of my baby here, she's going vegan as well, right, babe?
Oh.
So actually, our code is between me and her. When she says no, it means yes. When she says yes, it means no.
When I say no, it means no.
Baby, you look so amazing. Oh my God. You got teeth just like your dad.
Oh, he said my teeth are pretty. I have beautiful teeth.
Oh, of course you got beautiful teeth because your dad got beautiful teeth, duh.
But
Hello.
I need to fluff more.
Yeah, but look, I think my teeth are whiter than yours. Let's see. I kind of got you, girl. And I'm older than you. Wow. Stop eating all that candy, girl.
I said I eat hot chips.
Yeah, she eat too many hot chips. But guys, I love you so much. I appreciate you. I didn't mean to go off on a rant, but I love you so much. I really do. And from the top of my heart, remember, if you ever want things to take place differently in your life, you got to do something different. And you have to do those things that are not popular, you know? You got to do that are not popular, you know? Other people are going to tease you. They're going to not understand what you want. They're not going to understand your goals and dreams. And guess what? Sometimes it's good to keep your dreams to yourself and don't share it with the world, right? Because once it happens, let's go! You changed the game. Hey, guys, I love you guys so much. Amy, congratulations. I appreciate you. You are great. Amy, I can't wait to see your future success. Everybody that's in the Millionaires in Training group, I'll leave a link below. If any of you would like to join me to get started with me, if you want me to mentor you, email me at support@wesleyvirgin.com. Make sure you are serious, right? That you want to jump in with me, and that's Walk 2020. Depending on when you're watching this video here, let me help you. Let me show you what you're missing. Let me show you and open the treasure chest to success, which will enable you and your family to live an amazing, magical life. Baby, are you living a magical life? See? She says, yeah. You got to be rich, you know. It's just important. It's important to be rich. I'm serious. All right, guys. Love you so much. Much love. This is Wesley. $1 billion version. Let's go. Motivated. Dedicated. Oh, sorry, man. Let's go. Sorry, baby. You all right?